Competency and Restoration Training, the beginning. Why am I receiving competency and restoration training? 1. A judge ordered you to be here. 2. You may have committed a crime. 3. Your attorney, the district attorney, and the judge all agree that you may need competency training before your case can go any further. All 3 of the above are required for you to be ordered to attend competency training. What is your role during the competency and restoration classes? It is to attend all scheduled sessions, to focus on learning the court process, to complete all assignments, to never admit to any part of your offense to your instructor, to cooperate, and most importantly, have fun with your classwork. What is your instructor's role during the competency and restoration classes? It is to help you learn about the court system to the best of your ability, to provide you with all the materials you need to better learn the court process, to answer questions you may have regarding the legal system, to refer you to your attorney for a matter specific to your case, to prepare you for the competency evaluation. What does it mean for a defendant to be considered competent? To be considered competent and restored to stand trial, a defendant must understand the criminal charge or charges against them and the potential consequences of those charges, understand the trial process, and be able to cooperate and consult with their attorney. What are the positives of becoming competent? The benefits of being restored to competency are the legal case can move forward and not be stuck in limbo. Once you are competent, you can move ahead with planning a legal strategy with your attorney. The legal case can be resolved faster, and information learned from the sessions will help you have a better understanding of the court hearings. What are the potential negatives of not being restored to competency? If you are not restored to competency, it does not mean an automatic release from the charges, jail, or the hospital. The court may order you to an OPWDD facility until you are deemed safe to return to the community. You will be required to attend competency classes until your case is dismissed or you reach your 2/3 state on your most serious charge. Whether or not you become competent in your case depends on your ability to learn and retain information, your ability to understand the seriousness of your charges, your ability to work productively with your attorney, and most importantly, it depends on you. Competency and restoration definitions. Incompetent to proceed. As a result of a mental disability or developmental disability, the defendant does not have the sufficient present ability to consult with a defense lawyer with a reasonable degree of rational understanding to assist in the defense, or that because of a mental disability or developmental disability, the defendant does not have a rational or factual understanding of the criminal proceedings. Competency. Your skill or ability in a specific subject, or being able to do something well or to understand how to assist in your own defense during a trial. Restoration. The act of bringing back something that existed before. Used in this program to describe an individual's process to get to competent to proceed. Skill. A talent or ability that comes from training or practice. Priorities. Something given special attention.